Yes. Winners for the Masters Kata 65 years old above. For silver, Danilo Gia, PSKO Shuri Karate Do. And for gold, we have Sonny Bortillo from ISKF Cagayan. Congratulations. Winners for the Masters Kata male 46 to 55 years old. For bronze, we have Allen Nabange from SRK ISKF. For second bronze, Michael Smith, ISKF RSK Tigers. For silver, we have Elmer Laksamana from Star Mall Karate Team. And for gold, we have Carlito Lumahang from Lumahang Karate Academy. Congratulations. Calling the owner of NGG 2996 Hilux na white po. Pasuyo po ng sasakyan, park na po sa correct parking. Yung owner po ng Hilux na nandiyan po sa harap, NGG 2996. Pasuyo po ng sasakyan.